first one I chose was Quizlet.com, and the reason being is I used it a lot in college. I think it's a good resource, one, because you can create your own. So if you hit the create button here, you can actually type in whatever you want your title to be, you can add a diagram, you can label it, and then you can enter in as many terms as you want. So you can also choose a term and then add in a photo or a graph. So it's a really great study tool to have. And then the other thing I really like about it is you can actually search ones that have already been made. So for instance, for my web page design class, if I just type in web page design, there's some already made ones. So you can kind of go through in there and see if there's any that you think apply to your class. And a lot of times I would use them in college because I could just go search one and find one that was over the exact same unit that I was studying. So again, you can flip through the flashcards, but you can also do different things like this one, the right one. It gives you the title, and then you have to actually type in the answer, and you can check or you can hit don't know. And it keeps track over here of how you did. So it's kind of a cool way to be able to test yourself. They have a spell one, they have a test. I really enjoy the test one. The reason being is it gives it to you in different formats that you could see on an exam, I guess. So that's a tool I used a lot in college. And I think for my web page design class, it'll be really good because there's a lot of technical terms that students aren't that familiar with. So it might be a cool place for them to enter their vocabulary words or me to enter vocabulary words and allow them to go on and practice them. There's also some games that I really enjoy. The first one is a match game. So basically it just scatters them out. It keeps your time over here and you just select one and you just drag it over and try to find the correct one. So that's one that I've kind of used in the past, and I think it's a really cool resource. Again, it's really good for vocabulary words, but you could also use it as a study framework, have students make it, or you can make it yourself, but also there's a lot of resources on there that you can study.